Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing a SHEIN affiliate program review and breaking down what it is, how it works, what's good, and what to consider before joining. The SHEIN affiliate program lets creators and influencers earn commissions by promoting products from SHEIN's online store. You get a unique affiliate link or promo code, and when someone clicks your link and makes a purchase, you earn a percentage of the sale. This makes it possible to monetize fashion and lifestyle content without selling your own products. One of the biggest advantages of the SHEIN affiliate program is the massive product selection. SHEIN offers a wide range of trendy fashion items, including clothes, accessories, shoes, beauty products, home goods, and more. This variety makes it easy to find items that match your audience's tastes and interests, whether you focus on style hauls, lookbooks, or seasonal trends. Another positive is that SHEIN is popular and widely recognized by many shoppers around the world. Because people already know and trust the brand, they may be more likely to click your affiliate links and make purchases compared to lesser-known stores. This can help increase the chances of earning commissions. SHEIN also supplies tools for affiliates to track performance, see clicks, and monitor earnings. This makes it easier to optimize your promotional strategy over time and understand which products are driving the most revenue. However, there are some drawbacks to consider. One common point is that commission rates can vary by category and in some cases may be lower compared to other affiliate programs. This means you may need higher referral volume to make meaningful earnings. Success often depends on how engaged your audience is and how well you present the products. Another point is that SHEIN's affiliate rules and terms must be followed carefully. You need to make sure your links are shared in ways that comply with the program's guidelines to avoid any issues with your affiliate account or link tracking. So, who is the SHEIN affiliate program best for? It works well for fashion bloggers, YouTubers, TikTok creators, and social media influencers who already share style content, outfit ideas, or shopping hauls. If your audience enjoys discovering affordable, trendy fashion pieces, using SHEIN's affiliate links fits naturally with your content. Overall, the SHEIN affiliate program is a solid option for creators in the fashion and lifestyle space. It offers a large catalog and a familiar brand name that can make promotions more successful when done with high-quality content and consistent engagement. If this review helped you, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below with what you want reviewed next.